Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see someone's recent followers on Instagram. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I'm gonna go into my Instagram app right now. And if I wanted to look at someone's followers, I can just click on that person. Brings me to the profile and the top. You can see followers in the middle and click on that. Now it used to be that Instagram would have an option at the top left hand corner to either categorize it by date so you can find the most recent, and they took that feature away and they started making the top people the most recent that this person followed, and it goes down to the people that they've known the longest. However, since June of 2021, Instagram has completely taken away that feature, so there's actually no way to find out who they recently followed or who their recent followers are. It actually categorizes it now by the people that you would know at the top, or the people or the things that they think that you will follow at the top. So if I get out of here and I can go to somebody that you know, let's just say this person, and then I hit followers. At the top is going to be all the people that I'm already following. As you can see, all my friends. And then if I keep scrolling down, it will be people that I'm less likely to know, all the way down to the people that I probably would never interact with. So that's how they categorize it now. There's no way to find out who they recently followed or who their recent followers are. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.